SharePoint site types, communication sites versus team sites. SharePoint is a powerful platform within Microsoft 365 that allows organizations to manage content, collaborate efficiently, and share information seamlessly when creating a new SharePoint site. Users typically choose between two primary site types: communication sites and team sites. Understanding the differences between these two types is essential for making the right choice based on business needs. What is a communication site? A communication site in SharePoint is designed to broadcast information to a wide audience. It serves as an informational hub where users can share news, reports, and other resources across an organization. Unlike team sites, which are focused on collaboration, communication sites emphasize one-way communication and presentation. Key features of a communication site: visually engaging layouts, designed to showcase content in an attractive format using modern web parts like hero, news, events, and quick links. One-way communication, primarily used for sharing information rather than facilitating collaboration. No Microsoft 365 group integration. Unlike team sites, communication sites do not integrate directly with Microsoft 365 Group's customizable navigation. Users can tailor the site as structure to enhance user experience and ease of access. Optimized for broad audiences, ideal for company-wide updates, department news, and policy documentation. Permissions: typically, a few users have editing rights, while most visitors have read-only access. Common use cases: company intranet or home pages, news portals for organizational updates, knowledge bases and resource libraries, event announcements and reports, corporate branding and external communication. What is a team site? A team site in SharePoint is built for collaboration, enabling teams to work together on projects, share documents, and manage tasks. It is integrated with Microsoft 365 Groups, which allows for additional functionalities like shared Outlook calendars, Microsoft Teams integration, and Planner for task management. Key features of a team site: collaboration-focused, designed for teams to work together on documents, discussions, and shared tasks. Microsoft 365 Group integration provides access to additional collaboration tools like Teams, Planner, and Outlook, document libraries, centralized storage for sharing and managing files within a team. Lists and task management organizes information, project tracking, and workflow automation. Permissions management: members can contribute, edit, and collaborate, while external sharing can be restricted. Modern and classic pages supports both traditional and modern SharePoint experiences. Common use cases: departmental and project collaboration, file sharing and document management, team discussions, and planning. Integration with Microsoft Teams for seamless communication, managing tasks and workflows with Planner. Lists: key differences between communication sites and team sites. Feature: communication site, team site. Purpose: broadcasting information, team collaboration. Microsoft 365 Group not integrated. Integrated primary audience, organization-wide, viewer-specific, team members, content ownership owned by a few individuals, collaborative, team-managed, customization, highly customizable layouts focused on team functionality. Permissions: read-only for most users, editable by team members. How to choose the right SharePoint site when deciding between a communication site and a team site. Consider the following factors: collaboration versus information sharing. If you need a space for active teamwork and document co-authoring, a team site is the right choice. If the goal is to share updates, announcements, or knowledge resources, go with a communication site. Audience: if your content is meant for a small group working together, choose a team site. If it's for a broad audience, a communication site is better. Integration needs: if you need Microsoft Teams, Planner, or Outlook calendar integration, opt for a team site. Design and layout: if you require a visually engaging homepage with a strong focus on design, a communication site is ideal. Conclusion: both communication sites and team sites serve essential Roles within SharePoint, catering to different organizational needs. Understanding their core differences will help you make an informed decision when setting up your SharePoint environment. Whether you need a hub for collaboration or a platform for company-wide communication, SharePoint offers the flexibility to create an optimal digital workspace.